Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we have the data of employee number, employee name and salary, and I want to sum all the above value by using the shortcut key. What is the shortcut key? Just press Alt AO. It will display the formula and press enter. It will calculate all the above value you can see here. Now I just press Ctrl Z. If I want to know the maximum value, maximum salary, what is the formula? Just press Alt AO, and now just remove the sum and type here max and press enter. It will display the maximum value here. That's where you can also know the minimum value by using the function min. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.